The first P word there. Anyone? There's a product of two or more algebraic expression. Justin, following? Now, the first box there actually means X. Express, no lah. Expansion.
Then the F is the factorization.
Then the F is factorization. Okay. Now, I know people will ask what is expansion. So I will write there. Expansion means you are trying to distribute. Okay. Now, let us focus back on the top part. So we start. Now, what does distribute means? Now, look at the bracket here. Look on the board. This is 2 bracket x plus 3x. How many terms are there in the bracket? 2. So 2 means I distribute means I take 2 what? Times the x. So what do I get? 2x. I take the 2 times the 3y plus 3y. And what do I get? Plus 6y. So over here, distribution means I will so-called expand it in. I distribute 2 to the 2 terms and then I have something like that. Now, take note, if I say from this direction to this direction, expansion and contraction is different. There's no contraction. There is sides. Now, this direction means from left to right. From my left to my right. So look at left. Left, what do you have? What is this two curly finger? Bracket. Yes, bracket. But on the right, is there bracket? No. So got bracket, no bracket. Got bracket, no bracket. So expansion got a simple way of saying is we call it expansion is to remove the bracket. Kelly, what is a simple way of saying expansion? Remove the bracket. Okay, write that down. Remove the bracket. So, the whole of 4.3, we are talking about just this part. So 4.4, we are talking about the first, let me finish this. Let me talk about this one, then you go. Okay, factorization. Now, factorization is the process. Factorization is the opposite. So what do I mean? Factorization means I give you something like that, and what I want you to do is to go this direction, and here there is there bracket? No. Here is there bracket? Yes. So the process of going from here to here is called factorization. Alright? So factorization has the same idea of take out common factor, but in layman terms, we will write down we want to create bracket. Okay, so you want to distinguish this, then you can add an arrow yourself and highlight the box yourself. So the reverse direction, the reverse direction is actually factorization, while the top one is actually expansion. So you can highlight in whatever way you want to tell yourself what is happening. Yeah? Benjamin, okay? Okay, now, then I go on to the next part, which is the next page already. Okay, this is the next page already. So now go to the next page. Justin, is there anything I need to clarify? Let's go to the next page. Okay, let's continue the next page. Now, next page we are trying to do activity. So, what did he say? He says that the area of the rectangle is what? 3p plus 3q. Do you agree? Yeah. So you can write down the area. So area, so I write area equal 3p plus 3q. Okay, so it is written there as well. Now let's do an observation. Both rectangle has what length? Breadth. Same breadth. That's correct. Which means the breadth of the rectangle A is equals to rectangle B. Okay, so what can you deduce? Do you know the breadth? Let me zoom in. Now, let's look at A. How do I find the area of A? I must use length times breadth. Which means the length times the breadth will be equals to what? 3p. Oh, so it means length times breadth is equals to 3p. The length times breadth here is equals to 3q. If they have the same breadth, can you make a guess what is the breadth? Is it 3 or is it p? 3. Does it make sense? So this is 3, then what is this? P. This is 3, then this is Q. Make sense? So can you fill in the diagram? Chloe, what did I say? Chloe? So we turn to the next page. So we say the area again. Let's try and revise. Now 3p means 3 times p. And I know which means either the length is 3 or the length is p. Does it make sense? Either the breadth is p or the breadth is 3. So which is which? Hadi. Don't know what I'm talking about. So you're going to make a guess. So 3 times p. This is what? Oh, length times breadth. Length times breadth is 3p, right? So you're going to make a guess. Is my breadth p or my breadth 3? P. Let's try. So don't copy first. If this is p, then this will be 3, right? But I look at here. Is this p or is this p question mark? This cannot be p because over here is 3q. There is no p. So can this be p? Cannot. This must be 3, right? So which means this thing here must be 3. If this is 3, then this must be the p. Am I correct? Now let's go over to area B. Area B, if this is 3, then what is the bottom one? Q. Now let's see whether it makes sense or not. I want to find area of A. 3 times P. Is it 3P? Yes, right? Area of B, 3 times Q. Is it 3Q? Yes, again. Do they share the same breadth? Then the breadth is 3. Then follow this diagram? Okay. Now I go on. Just follow the story. And then it says, we see whether it makes sense. All done? All done? Did you just label the diagram, right? So it's not P. We thought it's P, but it's not P because it must have the same breadth. So it must be 3 mark. What's length times breadth? Okay, let's go. Now, so I go on downwards. So we say that, what can you deduce? Both? Okay, yeah. Alright, what can we deduce? What is the breadth of both rectangle? Do you agree it's 3? The breadth is 3 cm, right? Now, what is the length of P? What's the length of rectangle A? P. The other one? Q. And so what is sum of their length? P plus Q. Make sense? So this is P, this is Q, so total length is P plus Q. So far good? Good, So I go on further. Now, so do you agree this thing here?
Yes.
Does it make sense? Earlier on we do the other direction, am I correct? So now we say, so area means this is area of A plus area of B is the same as I take the sum of length together, then multiply by the breadth. Does it make sense? So this process is called factorisation. Clear? Now, but exam won't ask you like that one. I show exam how they will ask you. They will ask you factorize each of the thing completely. Can you underline the word factorize? And write down. Underline the word factorize. Tell me the keyword. Something about bracket. Do I want to remove or create? Create. I want to create. That means I want to create some bracket. Can follow? Utley, try the first one. That means my answer must be something and then something here. My answer must be something and then a bracket and then something inside. I need to write it this way. Now, how do I know what number to write here? You have to look at these two and tell me what is the highest common factor. The word here extract, usually I will use the word extract, I use the word take out. So this one means take out. So I try 15H and 15K, what is common? 15. Utley, do you agree I can write a 15 here? Means I take out, take out. Now look at the first thing, 15H. If I take out 15, what is that? H. So this is a H. So in the bracket, left with H. Now this is a plus. It means, what do I write? Plus. So it must be the same. Or at least, we try the same thing first. Now next one. I have 15K. After I take out 15, what is left inside? K. So this is K. Freedom, what's your question? Good. I will follow on your question. Everyone agree on this? Yeah. Is this factorized? Yes. So this is it the answer? Will you do expansion? No. Now if you do expansion, what will you get? You will get back this one. Then I ask you for what? You understand? So cannot expand back. So can everyone write down answer with a hashtag? Now, can everyone write down equal as well? Follow me. Everyone do the same thing. Write an arrow, write equal. Write down what Ridwan just said. Ridwan said, can I take 5 and then put down 3H plus 3K? Everyone write down. Everyone write. Orlando, you're not writing.
But waste time.
Write down 5 bracket 3H plus 3K. Is this factorized?
Yes.
Yes, because 15 is 5 times 3, right? 15 is 5 times 3, right? So I take out 5. So I try 5 times 3 is it equals 15? Yes. 5 times 3 is it equals 15K? Yes again. But is this correct? No. The reason is because of the word completely. So can you underline this word? Can you? No. Can you underline this word? Completely. And can you mark this wrong because you write down there is a common factor of 3. That means there's a 3 and 3 inside. Is it common? Yes. Both terms inside there is 3. And since there is 3, what do? You can also take out again. Can follow? And that is why we always take out the highest common factor. Understand which one? Okay. Now let's try the next one together. Then off you go. You try yourself. Let's see. Today is index number 16. Where are you? Asha. Your birthday
The birthday.
Happy birthday.
So
Later you got time, you sing the birthday song. Okay, Asha. 6C, 24M. What is common? 6. Do you agree? You agree. Okay, Danish agree because 24 is equal to what? 6 times 4. So something like 24 is equals to 6 times 4. Of course, you can tell me 3 times 8, but is it useful here? There's no 3, there's no 8. It's equal to 2 times 12, but is it useful here? There's no 2, there's no 12. Follow? So I will take 6. So, Ashraf, if I take 6, what is left inside? C minus 4M. Hashtag? Yes. Simple? This minus of plus is dependent on who? The outside. Okay. Now how do I get M? You see over here there's n.
No, how do you get the 4?
Oh, how you get the 4? Because 24 is 6 times 4. If I take out 6, left one inside. Oh. Understand? Who don't understand? Oh, let's try the next one. Huh? Okay, let's try the next one. Huh? Today is April, so index number 4. 35, 42. I want to take out a common number. What number do I take out? 7. Okay, I zoom in. I zoom in. Okay, everyone do this with me. Then later on, now listen. Other than the common number, we must also look at the alphabet. Is there a common alphabet? W. So I will take out the W. So I take out the W. Now let's try. What is inside the bracket? First one. 5. Is there an R? Yes. Plus or minus? Plus. So what is this? 6. Is there a W? Is there a W? That's why. Look at this. 42W. If W times W, it will give you what? W? Power of 2. So since there's only one W here, do I still need to put a W here? No need. So actually it looks something like that. Now, how do you know in exam you confirm get correct? Simple. You do a X, then so 7 times 5 you get 35. R and W will get RW. 8 correct. Second one. 7W times 6, 42W. 8 correct. You know you're correct. Understand? So you can do a check to see whether you get right or wrong. Now I pause the video here. Now you try D on words. Okay, E, the answer is this. Look at F. Everyone look at F. Everyone put down your pen. Jolie, E answer is this. Okay. Everyone put down your pen and everyone look at the board. Now, many of you write down 3 bracket what? Negative 7y minus 16. Okay. Listen. Now, the reason why this is wrong, listen, important now, listen. Because of the word completely. Now, let me explain. Now, this is a common thing. Now, look at this term here. Minus 7y. Look at this thing here. Minus 16. What is common? The negative side. Do you see? Both terms has a negative side, which means I can factorize the negative sign out. Now let's see what happens, Sean. If I factorize the negative 7 out, so this will be negative 3. What will be left inside? 7y. Now let's try. Negative 3 times 7. Do you get negative 21? Yes. That means this is correct. Try the other one. Negative 16. I know. But what I want to show you this, because here is minus, you may think that here is minus. But negative times negative will give you positive. But the answer one, negative. So what should be the answer here? Plus 16. So then this is correct. Everyone clear? Clear? Now, another way to look at it, I don't really like this way. Is there another way to do it? Yes. Look at this 21. This 21 actually is, you can break it down into minus 3 times plus 7y. This you can break this down into minus 3 times plus 16. Do you see the minus 3 is common? So you can take it out. You can follow? So up to you. I personally don't like the red color way. I like to just take out and then see what is left inside. Okay, now let's go to G. Who have not done it? Not done it. Okay, we done. Look for us. 64 and 27. Is there any common number? Common factor? No. Answer is correct. Look at alphabet. Is there any common alphabet? B. So, the answer will be simply just equal to B bracket minus correct. Nothing. No secret. Okay, now last one. Nabila. No, never mind. Ifa try 18, 6 and 36. What is the common number I can take out? 6. Yeah, try 6. Now let's look at alphabet. So you must always take care of two groups. Number, alphabet. AX. What is common? A. So I take out A. Ifa, tell me what is left inside the bracket. What is left inside the bracket? 3x plus 1 minus 6z. Excellent. So this is correct. Yay. So all clear? Okay. Everyone look on the board. Everyone look on the board. Can everyone copy this down? 3a 6x plus 2 minus 12z. Everyone write this down. Everyone write this down. On your G. On your H. Sorry. Everyone write this down. Now, can you put a cross here? Don't draw the symbol. Okay, put here wrong because of the word completely. Now, to show you, write down 2 times 3, write down 2 times 1, write down 2 times 6. Do you see that all these three numbers has a common number? That is 2. So 2 times 3, 2 times 1, 2 times 6. Which means I can take out 2. You can follow? Now, if I take out 2, there will be left with 3 inside. 0. If I take out 2, left 1 inside. If I take out 2, left 6 inside. Do you see that it's the same? So yours is just one step away from the final answer. Okay? Okay. Now, before we conclude the next page, I'm going to give you discount. So, all this is optional. Now, over here, cancel correctly. All done? All done? It's very easy. All done? All done with this? Now, let us conclude the lesson by going through the last two. I will do A, you will do B. Let's go. Now, look at this page here. Last page, page 3. Minus 39b squared. Minus 13ab. What number is common? B alphabet is common. How about number? 13. 3. 3 no there's no 3 here. But 13 yes. But plus or minus? Minus. Because both also got negative, right? So I will write down negative 13b. Your turn. Tell me what is inside the bracket. Aloysius, do on the spot. Press the calculator. What is the answer, Aloysius? What is inside the bracket? Easy way is take calculator, press. Negative 39 divided by negative 13. Press your calculator. Negative 39 divided by negative 13. Just also taking out calculator. The rest taken out.
3. I thought it was 3 power of 2.
3 power of 2. Now b square means b times b. Okay, so over here you can write down. This one means b times b. So I take out 1b, left how many b inside? 1. Right? So do you get the first one 3b? Who don't understand 3b, raise up a hand. Okay. Next one, Aloysius again. What sign do I write here? And what blank do I write here?
Plus.
I write a plus.
Wait, Joe, why the 3b you still put b over there? Isn't this like plus 1?
Because b square means b times b. I have 1b here. Do I need another b?
Then you just put 3 to the power of 2.
Can I put 3 to the power of 2? 3 to the power of 2 is 3 times 3. There is no b involved. Aloysius, what's the blank here? 8. Anything else? No. Can follow? Now let's try to internalize this thing. Negative 13b times 8. You will get negative 13ab. Here. Can follow? Repeat. Negative 13a times b will give you negative 13ab.
Negative 39b to the power of 2, isn't it?
Orlando, negative 39b is equals to negative 39 times b times b. Not negative 39 square. No. No. Orlando is thinking negative 39 square. No, there's no square. Understand? Yes, the square only applies to the b. Can you copy this down? Can you also copy this down? Can you also copy this down? If I put a negative 39b entire thing square, it means negative 39b times negative 39b. This is the one that have the 1000 plus. Because this is the one that you will take 39 times 39. But how does it happen? You must have a bracket and the square outside everything. So this one no. This one is just 39b square. So anytime b only b got square. This one is 39 because there's a bracket. Clear? How you get 3b? Simple. Negative 39b square is equal to negative 13 times 3b. Like that. Negative 13 times 3. So if I take out negative 13, I'm left with 3 inside. Why b? Because this is b times b. If I take out b, I'm left with 1b inside. A simple way is what Jolie mentioned. You just take negative 39, press your calculator. Negative 39 divided by negative 13. You will see the 3. I repeat again. Take your calculator, press negative 39, press negative 39 divided by negative 13. Do you see 3? Then you will see the 3 coming out. So the divide will help you to see what's the factor. Clear? Okay, everyone do B as the final exercise. Now, this one I give you a clue. You must first expand, then factorize. Can you do the expansion now? Can you do the expansion now? I pause the video here. This is 5x plus 10x times b. So I will have 10bx. Distribute again. Now this is a plus. This is a plus. So plus times plus will give you plus. Plus 10bc.
Why 10bx?
I'm sorry. Wrong. Times 10cx. Is this correct?